So I am on the Warren County, Tennessee website for their budget, right? And we're going to click on this budget, the general budget for FY 23-24. And this is a really, really cool tool when it comes to ChatGPT, which I'll show you in a quick second here. So here is the budget. We have all the different revenues here. And obviously we could have used a tool called like Ask Your PDF or AI PDF to understand this data. But I'm going to show you something you can use, which I think has some really great applications beyond just budgets and under other areas. So I've taken a screenshot of that first section, the local taxes section, right? And it is just a screenshot, right? There's no other, I didn't put it into a document. It's not a PDF or anything like that. It's simply a screenshot. Let's go back to ChatGPT, click on the menu, and then click on the ellipses next to our name, which is going to pull up the settings menu. We're going to go look at beta features and make sure this tool called Code Interpreter is turned on. Now, this is only available if you're a ChatGPT Plus customer. So go to GPT-4, click on Code Interpreter, and we're going to click on this plus button, and look at this. We can upload files from our computer or from our phone in this situation. I don't have to have a web link anymore for this, which is just absolutely phenomenal, and be able to look at our data and ask questions and have a conversation with our data, have a conversation-based analysis. So I'm going to have it use OCR to tell me what this is, right? What is this ChatGPT? What are you looking at? This is an image, but can you parse out what this is? And that way we can start asking some questions and do some more with this. So ChatGPT is going to use this code interpreter tool to look at it, and it rightly identifies that this is a general fund statement of proposed operations from Warren County, Tennessee. Recognize this is from fiscal years 21-22 to 23-24. Talks a little bit about some of the local taxes, discounted property taxes, some of the different tax revenues that are in this section. And different things like that, right? So this is really powerful. We can do this with images. We can also do this with Excel files as well. Right now, this is, to my knowledge, the only tool that actually can look at XSL or XLS or XLSX files rather, instead of just the CSV files. So this is a pretty powerful tool. So let's find out, does ChatGPT, can it look at, okay, we have these numbers. Can you tell me what the highest percent change since 2021 is compared to the FY 23-24 proposed budget, right? Can you tell me what the highest percent change in these different taxes are? Can we look at it and gain some insights that we would have to normally use an Excel formula or something like that we have to manually put in? So it's going to use this code interpreter tool again to look at it. Now, as the name implies, code interpreter is normally used for code, right? Coding. I am woefully ignorant when it comes to coding and things like that. So I'm using it for the other side, or the other tool within this code interpreter area, which is looking at images, looking at Excel files, which I'm really looking forward to trying out when I get back to work here shortly. So here's the different ways. Here again, we can look at, there's the highest percent change, value increase from 61 up to 61,000 there, looks like. So let's look at this area and see if it actually works, if it's accurate. And yes, it is. We can see, look at that. It is 100% accurate in terms of what ChatGPT was able to parse out from the data. So let's also see if we can go a step further, right? Can we build a chart through ChatGPT in this code interpreter tool? Normally, I'm using a plugin called Diagram, using the plugins feature, which right now is not, you're not able to use it with code interpreter. So I'm using this plugin tool, normally Diagram, to create charts after I've looked at the data. But let's see if Code Interpreter can do that all at once. And it's going to work on that. While it's doing that, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Really appreciate the support of this content. If you are excited about ChatGPT and generative AI in local government and want to be an innovator in this realm, please share this information, share this content. Follow me on LinkedIn as well, @GodAtGPT. And look at that, we have this chart built out right there. This is absolutely incredible in terms of what we're able to do right here through Code Interpreter. Phenomenal content. Really hope you enjoy. If you're using ChatGPT, if you're using Code Interpreter, I'd love to hear how you're using it in your city. Please comment below, and we can start a conversation on that as well. Until next time, be well, and thanks for watching.